Imagine waking up one morning in 2030 and finding that your job, your career, maybe even your entire industry, no longer needs humans. It sounds like science fiction. But what if it's not? AI takeover, how 80% of jobs could vanish by 2030. Because, according to top economists and futurists, the AI revolution might not just change the job market. It might erase it. Let's explore how, and what happens next. Artificial intelligence used to mean chess-playing computers and sci-fi movies. But in the last decade, AI has gone from novelty to necessity. From search engines and customer support to self-driving cars and medical diagnostics, AI is everywhere. AI market size, 2023 $200+ billion. Estimated, 2030 $1.8 trillion. In 2024 alone, more than 40% of companies across industries began integrating AI into their daily operations. But this isn't just about efficiency. This is about replacement. When we think of automation, we usually picture factory robots or self-checkouts. And yes, manual, repetitive jobs are the first to disappear. Retail clerks, call center agents, warehouse pickers, data entry clerks. 63% of data processing jobs are at high risk of automation. But the AI takeover doesn't stop there. The jobs on the chopping block next? They're not just blue-collar. They're white-collar. Think your job is safe behind a desk? Think again. AI is now performing accounting tasks, drafting legal contracts, and even writing code. With tools like ChatGPT and other LLMs, companies can generate emails, reports, summaries, all at a fraction of the time and cost. One major investment firm recently revealed that they had replaced dozens of junior analysts with a single AI. AI performs 700% faster with 30% fewer errors. Deloitte, 2024. The shockwave through finance, law, customer service, and IT has only just begun. But wait, creativity is uniquely human, right? Not anymore. AI is composing music, creating viral art, designing ad campaigns, and even writing movie scripts. AI-generated image wins state art competition, 2023. Copywriters, graphic designers, video editors, many of them now find themselves competing with machines that never sleep and cost nothing. Even YouTubers are using AI to generate scripts, voices, animations, without touching a camera. We're not just automating labor anymore. We're automating imagination. AI isn't stopping at the back office. It's moving into classrooms and hospitals. AI tutors can teach any subject, anytime, anywhere, instantly personalized to each student. Doctors now use AI to analyze scans and detect conditions like cancer, often with greater accuracy than humans. AI detected early-stage breast cancer with 92% accuracy. MIT, 2023. Robotic surgeries, virtual nursing assistants, AI-driven patient records, they're all cutting down costs and headcount. Even empathy-based professions are being redefined. If millions lose their jobs to machines, what happens next? A wave of disruption, lost income, economic slowdown, mental health crises, political instability. Oxford study, 47% of US jobs at risk of automation. Entire industries could shrink. Workers forced into gig jobs. Widening inequality. And for every high-paying AI engineer, there are thousands of displaced workers without a clear path forward. It's not just about losing jobs. It's about losing purpose. The solution? Reskilling. Governments and companies are investing in programs to help people learn new, AI-proof skills. But here's the problem. The pace of change is too fast. For someone who spent 20 years behind a cash register, learning Python overnight isn't realistic. Even proposals like universal basic income are still debated more than delivered. So, what jobs might survive? Think about the things AI can't do well: feel, empathize, create meaning, understand ethics, lead with vision. Roles involving emotional intelligence, moral judgment, hands-on care, and high-level strategy are still safe. for now. Humanity's greatest advantage? Being human. The future of work might not be humans versus machines. It could be humans plus machines. Imagine a teacher with an AI co-pilot. A doctor with instant AI diagnostics. A writer who collaborates with an AI editor. When we stop seeing AI as the enemy, and start treating it as a tool, the possibilities expand. The question is, will we act in time? AI will replace jobs. That part is inevitable. But the collapse of the labor market isn't. We can redesign society, reimagine education, and redefine the value of human work. But it starts now. Because by 2030, the world will be unrecognizable. So ask yourself, are you ready to work with AI, or be replaced by it? Subscribe for more insights on the future of humanity. Share this video to prepare the world.